Hello and welcome to this week's MSAB Monday. I'm Firman. We're going to be taking a look at reporting today, and we're going to be using the extremely functional report builder. And hopefully I'm going to demonstrate why it's worth your time investing in building some solid templates. So in XAMN Pro on the ribbon bar, you can see we have a section called Report Builder. This first button allows me to add whatever selected data artifact I'm viewing to Report Builder. And the right hand button allows you to view your report. So if we were to go to calls and we were going to add one of these calls into our report builder, we simply just select the call that we want to add, and we would come up to here and go to add selected data. We can add all, filtered and selected, and we can also give it a block name. So if we wanted to call this important call, then we can do so, and we wanted to apply that to all of the filtered, we press OK, and they're now going to be added to our report builder. And if we go into report builder, so we go view report, you can see that my data block has indeed been added. Now the advantages of Report Builder is the drag and drop functionality. You can see that we've defined some system blocks, and these are generally what you're going to include in your report. Once you've spent the time detailing exactly how you want this report to look, you can come over to here and save it as a template. That means that investment of that time working as a team, as a unit, allows you to specify exactly how you want all of your reports to look. Now, I have one I've previously made earlier, and if I go to open template, these are the options for me. And if I go to MSAB Monday, and here is my template that's been dragged in. And you can see I start off with my qualifications and experience like most reports need, and then I can have a section on exhibits that have been examined for this case, along with some circumstances, investigation details, exec summary, exactly how you would expect a report to look. And you can see that I've dragged blocks in. So this could be a note section as indicated by the system block here. Sometimes we also need to include a PDF. This could be from port for web forensics, for example, or something else outside of XAMN. And we can do that just by dragging one of these document blocks. So in our findings, we can just drag it down to here. And now we have added a document block that allows us to browse out and add any document of our choice. We also have the option to preview what our report's going to look like. And you can, of course, include agency information and standard information that you continually have to put in every report. And it's worth remembering that building these templates is going to save you time. It's going to make your reports all function as one. And by investing that time in building the template correctly and what works for your unit, it's going to save you time going forward. Now we also have a section on our customer forum where one of our trainers, Chris Courier, has put together some comprehensive notes, as well as a GitHub repository where you can download a standard template that he's set up. We will also be looking to add further to these to give you more functionality that you can build your templates from. We hope that you've enjoyed this week's MSAB Monday and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.